Okay, good morning. Welcome to
FunMath number 106.
FunMath number 106. Today we are following section 4.4 of Art of Problem Solving's Algebra book, and that is talking about simplifying fractions. And by fractions, this time we mean fractions with algebraic expressions in them, not just good old friendly fractions like a half plus a third. Right?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright. Do you know what a half plus a third is, by the way?
I think it's 5/6.
5/6, good job. Okay. So in this video we're going to talk about 3 over x plus 2 over 3y plus 1 over xy. So what do we have to do to combine these terms?
We need to get a common denominator.
Okay, we need to get a common denominator. And what is the common denominator going to be here?
It's 3xy.
3xy. Okay, so why don't you write that, write a big bar and write your common denominator. 3xy. Now, how did you figure that out, that the common denominator was 3xy?
We've got an x here,
Yep.
a 3y here, and an xy here.
Okay. And so what do we need to find with those three
The
terms?
LCM.
We need to find the LCM. So the LCM is going to need the maximum power of x,
Which is
which is
x.
1, maximum power of y, which is y to the 1, and then we're going to need the LCM of what the numbers are. But
There's only one number.
there's only one number in the bottom. Well, there's two. There's 1, 3, and 1. We just don't write the 1.
3.
So the LCM is 3. So our common denominator is 3xy. Now what?
Now, well, we multiply this one by 3y. This 3 over x times 3y over 3y.
Okay, why don't I write that? Just so you don't have to reach over, and also because I didn't really leave a lot of room. 3y over 3y. Okay, what do we multiply this one by?
X over x.
Okay, x over x. Sorry about that. Sorry for not leaving enough room. And you can
3
write.
over 3.
You can write here 3 over 3. Okay, so what do I get on the top now?
You get 9y plus 2x plus 3 all over 3xy.
Okay, I get 9y plus 2x plus 3 all over 3xy.
This is as simple as it goes.
That is as simple as it goes. You can't factor anything out because there's nothing in common with 9y, 2x, and 3. You can't factor out an x because this doesn't have an x, that doesn't have an x.
We can check this.
Can't factor out a y, hold on one second, because this term and this term don't have y's. And I can't factor out a number because 9, 2, and 3 don't have anything in common.
9
Okay.
and 3 do. So.
9 and 3 do, but that's not enough. You need everything to have something in common. Okay, so now let's check. And you can't check perfectly, especially when you don't leave enough room. But we can check with something simple. We'll let, say, x equal 1, and let's let y equal 2, just to pick something really easy. Okay?
So we're going to get 3.
3 over x becomes 3 over 1.
3 plus 2 over 6.
2 over 6 plus
1 half.
1 half. Okay, so now
2 6 is a third.
2 6 can simplify to be a third. Oh, how funny. I didn't plan this, but we're left with 3 plus a third plus a half. But we already said, what's a third plus a half?
5 6.
5 6, that's funny. Okay. So 3 plus 5, 6. And what does this equal as a fraction? 3
Well,
plus
3
5.
is 18 sixths.
Okay.
So 18 plus 5 is 23.
So we get 23 sixths. Now let's put x equals 1, y equals 2 into this expression. Now the bottom first, what does the bottom become?
It becomes 6.
6. And the top is what?
18
18
plus 2
2
plus 3.
plus 3.
It's 18 plus 5, which is 23 sixths.
Okay, good job. High five. Okay, so now, just because these two things happen to be the same, doesn't mean that we did it, doesn't guarantee that we did it right.
But
It certainly helps us think that we probably did it right. It's at least worth checking something, because if you get 23 sixths here, and then for your combined expression you got like, I don't know, 4 9ths or something like that, then you would say, well, wait a minute, somewhere I've made a mistake. But at least when you get the same answer, at least you hope that you did it right both times, not just by accident. Although, funny enough, we saw a problem on Khan Academy today that you could have got right by accident.
yeah.
Right. Okay, good. You want a funny challenge problem? That's probably might be in this section. I don't know, but it's kind of a famous problem about multivariable equations. You ready for this?
Yeah.
This is kind of a math joke problem, but I'm not going to tell you the joke. I'm just going to see if you can figure it out. Okay. What do you get when you multiply out x minus a times x minus b times x minus c dot all the way up to x minus z? So you have all 26 terms here. What do you get when you multiply this out?
A big number.
This is the math joke. You have to think about it. Do you see what you get? You should be able to do this in your head, believe it or not.
It's x minus a times.
You see it?
No.
All right. Well, think about it during the day. I'm not going to tell you the answer. Let's go the other way. All right. Would you erase the board for me, please? It doesn't get all hard to erase. Thanks. Good job today, honey.